As we head into Thanksgiving and Black Friday, I wanted to take a moment to say thank you to all who followed this channel, taken my classes, or just reached out with questions about getting started in the drone world. It's been amazing watching more and more drone pilots step into photogrammetry, mapping and modeling, autonomous flights, construction reporting, and more. And to celebrate this season, we're running a Black Friday special at ArizonaDroneClasses.com. For a limited time, our 18 class bundle, that's every course I've created, is available for 40% off. And if you don't need the whole bundle, every individual class is also 40% off. This bundle is built for new and growing drone pilots who really want to work on their workflows, not theory. Inside the classes, you'll find tutorials on construction progression reporting, mapping and modeling, creating 2 and 3D maps and models with tools like WebODM, Metashape, setting up autonomous flights, building repeatable Waypoint missions, and even job deliverables for your clients. Many classes include demonstrations where you'll see the full process, from planning the mission to capturing imagery to creating final deliverables that your clients will be thrilled with. We also cover the business side of things, communicating with clients, handling job expectations, and building a workflow that keeps you efficient in the field and back in the office. Whether you're just starting out with drone services in 2025, or you're already flying but want to expand into photogrammetry, construction reporting, or autonomous mission planning, this bundle gives you a head start without spending thousands of dollars on complicated software or expensive training. If you've been thinking about leveling up some of your drone skills, this is the best time of year to get in. Just head over to ArizonaDroneClasses.com and take advantage of the 40% off sale. And don't forget, you can preview every class before you decide. Thanks again for being part of this community, and I hope you have a great Thanksgiving and a successful end to the year.